Okay, Frizzlets, you are doing your work, you're diligently in your class notebook, and you are typing stuff up. This is an assignment that we had before we were kicked out of school, okay? And you accidentally, whenever you click on it to type in your work, you accidentally delete what's in there. So instead of freaking out and having a fit and throwing your computer out the window like Miss Frisbee has wanted to do this week with her computer, you will go over to the content library. The content library is where I keep a copy of everything that I assign you guys, okay? So you'll go over to the content library. Oops, there we go. And you'll scroll down to writing, or well, that's where I got this one. Now, this one is read only, which means you cannot edit anything in the content library. You can only read it. However, you can there we go. Copy it. So you hit Control-C for copy, and then go back to yours, which we had in writing, Statue of Liberty, okay? And then you would, oops, Control-V. There we go. Control-V. We'll paste it in for you. So that works on any assignment that I give you. So if you accidentally delete something, backspace, or it disappears or whatever, go to the exact same page in the content library and you can copy and paste it back into your page. So now you know. I'll see you guys later.